Hey everyone, it's Allie and welcome to my channel. It is time for another Ipsy Bag unbagging video. So for those of you who don't know, Ipsy Bag is a monthly subscription service where you pay $12 a month, you get a bag full of little goodies every month. They also have an Ipsy Bag Plus that you pay a little bit more and you get a little bit more. But I've been using the basic one for years now, and let's see what we got. All right, this is what the bag looks like this month. It's really cute, actually. It's black and gold, has this little design on it, and it says "Your Magic." Okay. All right, let's open it up. Here we get a little card, and it does tell me what I got. I don't know, sometimes I feel like the cards I get don't actually tell me the products I got, but this one does. So let's take a look. The first thing that I'm taking out is this tiny little sample size, and it is the Tarte Maracuja Tinted Hydrator. Oh, this is so cute. I have it in 34N medium neutral, which I feel like would probably be a good fit for me. This is so teeny tiny, but tinted hydrator, so I guess like a tinted moisturizer. I love that. This the full size goes for $29. Obviously, this is not the full size. It says it's lightweight, easy to blend, buildable formula, melts seamlessly into skin for no fuss application. Perfect for busy mornings. Very, very cool. It says to blend out using the fingers. So I'm going to try this out. I'm really excited about this. Very cool. All right. The next thing that we got is by Cake Naturally Luxe Beauty, the Curl Friend. Totally to die for defining curl cream. I've gotten things from Cake Beauty, I guess, in the past from Ipsy. I believe I got like a hand cream, and I actually really, really like that one. I forgot about that. I should order more because that one I really liked. It says it's frizz fighting, curl defining, glossy silk styling. Let's see. It's sealed, but let me open it up. I want to see how it smells because that hand cream smelled really, really nice. So it smells nice too. Oh, little came out. Whoops. Smells nice. Feels nice. I'll definitely try this out. All right, cool. And this, let's see. The full-size version, this is not the full size. The full size goes for $8.99, so pretty affordable. 2-in-1 formula, has avocado oil and shea butter. Very cool. All right, I will definitely try this out when I wear my hair curl. Okay, the next thing that I got is by the Balm. Who remembers the Balm? I feel like we haven't really heard much about them lately, where years ago, back in like the OG days, the Balm was like a big hit. But this is their Will Powder Blush in the color Stamina. If I can take it out, I can do it. I can do it. Here we go. Okay. Ooh, this is a really pretty color. I don't have a blush this color, actually. I think I used to have a blush this color by Urban Decay, and I think it broke, but this is nice. I feel like this is a nice blush for the fall, winter time. Very nice. I do like their formula as well for blushes. Let's see. I think you can see it's like a deeper berry. Very pretty. Yeah, I have used the Balm's blushes in the past. Their highlighters are great. I actually really like their product. The full size is $25, so that's a deluxe sample size. The next thing that we got is this little quad. Let's, oops, open you up. It's the Illuminati Quad Palette. This is Secret Society Quad Palette. I've never heard of this before. Illuminati Cosmetics. This is full size and it goes for $21. Highly pigmented. They're vegan and cruelty free. All right, again, I've never heard of it. Let's see where I can swatch it because I did other swatches before. Let's see. We'll do all of them. Feels nice. Okay. Where can I put you? Here? Don't mind my burn from the oven, but right there. I think you can see it. Very pretty colors. Definitely wearable. All right, last one I got is this brush. It is by, I've gotten things from this company before. Let's see. What is it called? This Slmissglam. Slmissglam. I think that's it. Cute. I actually love this color. Not necessarily for makeup brushes, but like generally, I love this color. So this is a blush brush. Round blush. I feel like that's kind of small for blush. No? Maybe? I tend to like brushes that are much larger for blush because I feel like it kind of diffuses a little bit. I feel like this will be good for like a highlighter though. I'll try it out. Usually, I'm not gonna lie, usually I give these brushes to my daughter because they're like super fun and sparkly and cute, and she loves makeup, so I just let her play with it. But I actually have used a good amount of them and I do like it. So I think this will be good. But again, I probably would use this for like highlighter, I think. Oh, and this goes for $18.50 and it is full size. Not bad. I feel like I'm most excited for this Tinted Hydrator. I am. Yeah, because I feel like I don't have lots of new foundations and I've been trying to use more like tinted moisturizers and things like that. So very excited. I'm most excited about this. They're all pretty good. Very cool. So not bad. So overall, we got a Tinted Hydrator. We got blush, curl cream, a little eyeshadow quad, and a brush. So not bad for $12. The thing with Ipsy, a lot of them are like deluxe sample sizes. They're not full size usually, but you do get a couple of full size products, which is really good. But again, I like it because you can try a whole bunch of different things without actually going out and having to buy the full size product. Yeah, you can see what works for you and what doesn't. So, and you get a cute little bag. Honestly, these bags, I've racked up so many of them throughout the years. I give it to my daughters to play with, to put like some of their toys or like their crayons and things. Sometimes I'll put stuff in here and I actually gift them away, like to people. I don't know, they come in handy. Sometimes I'm like, what am I doing with all these bags? But they do come in handy. So anyways, that does it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys get Ipsy as well, let me know what you got for this month. I will leave the link to signing up for Ipsy down below if you are interested. I recommend it. I think it's fun. If you're able to and you want to try it for a little bit. And if not, that's okay too. Then it's fine. You can just watch these videos if you enjoy it or not. But if you did enjoy it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. Ring the bell for notifications. It will let you know whenever I upload, which I'm going to be trying to upload much more now. And be sure to stay happy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.